So we have to walk to the farm. So we're gonna go check out our farm for the first time in a while. We had a huge rainfall and it's raining again today. Our pathway to get to the farm is closed off, so we do have to walk, which we love doing. It's just that we also have to take all these groceries to our farm guy. Good times, eh? Anyway, I'll let you guys enjoy chilling, you know? These vibes, the pre-rain vibes and the after post-rain vibes. I can never get over them. Enjoy.
Roog leedahay baa la yiri kiiba dhamaantii dhaweyd mooyaane ka ku hor
loo roobayo
ha
yaro waa artay waa dhulka fooraraya biyaha ka shubayo inuu
ha dhulka fooraro
ku qabanayo macnaha biyo ma
ma
waa qalab biyo
ha
waa doxob maraya
qode
waxaari
waxaan dhagaxan moodiyo dhagaxa ma waa dhagaxa
ya
dhagax ahayn
biyaha sidan u galay unreal
dhagax maaha waa wixii
gypsy
istambarka laga sameeyay weeyaan laba mitir buu hoos u qoday
Ah, that's incredible. Look at the power of water. The force of it coming and then as if a car used to pass here.
no more car waa u dhamaatay hadana dib u buuxinay
So we'll be walking to the farm from now on. Unbelievable. SubhanAllah. Water is something. Look at this cool gub tree. I like this. I want to show you guys. Its roots are fully exposed and it's just gubbing, you know? Gubbing. The gub is gubbing. So that is an amazing tree that we use a lot here for. It can be soap. It's a cleanser, and we use it for face masks. Let's carry on our walk, see what else we get up to. Appreciating our nature. You're going to check the swamp, aren't you? Cool. Yeah. So Egina. Okay.
I love this though. Nature.
The grand reveal. Not much. But it's over there, some water. See the big Oh, it's totally empty.
What happened?
There was only one rainfall. Yeah.
It won't keep it, but if it continue raining, it will keep the water.
Yeah. This is where I saw the granukes last time.
Look at that carpet of
The grass?
grass.
Yeah, that is lovely.
I would have camped here.
Yeah, totally. Oh, if we had a camper vehicle, halkana gabaldhac baan ka daawan lahayn halkana
Beer.
yeah, that would be nice. What a vibe. Okay, let's carry on. يعني مسس كلوش يجي ما أنا حين.
That is so good. نصوص وجود حدين نصوص. Smell that flower?
Huh?
Smell the flower.
I do smell it. Oh, natural dabiici.
kuwa falaawarada yar yar uray waxa urayo falaawarada.
Oh, really? حاجة سنتي قلنا. I don't see the flowers, Mom.
Hey.
My overhang.
Smells good. Look at it.
Oh, it smells so good. You're right.
Ah, smells good. It used to be this one, but had to let it dry.
Right in that spot. Smells so good. Walk with us, guys. We're just enjoying nature. Oh, there's Abdi. We beat him. They're all here. Look, Mama. Ashi Maria Bashi. Look at this. Armo. It's literally this whole thing. They're Subhanallah, I love it. Wadi Burai.
Almost got lost.
Okay, you can feel the wind. We need to get home before the rain starts. Just checking up on the farm. But yeah, let's see if we get home and then another rain at the house would be fantastic. Uh-oh, definitely one drop just fell on me. The race back begins. And we just got here. We can't even enjoy it. Whoa, the moringa! That is overripe. That needs to be cut entirely, inshallah. We just need to check on our bees. Oh, that's so cool. They're actually going in right now. See? Yay! Found them, good nukes. Oh my god. Can you see? Can you see? Ha! Even a bunny rabbit. I'm loving this. I didn't get to zoom into the good nukes, but maybe I'll catch the bunny. I'm waiting for one more Guesthouses. They're usually in packs, and I only saw two. I didn't get to zoom in for you guys, but I'm thinking there's another one gonna pop out here somewhere. Wow, we are at the end of our walk, and this gub tree is looking more special than it was when we started. Look how silent, dead silent it is. Alhamdulillah.
I'm looking at the erosions.
I know, it's those kind of things depress you, huh?
Yeah.
How man can disturb nature and how nature can disturb man. Take that, nature. Basically, we're just talking about like deforestation. How do you say that? People chop off trees for their own good, and then they wonder why the rain cut off their water, cut off their road. Look at this. Used to be a road.
2 meters deep. Water can do that. How powerful the water is.
Yeah. Oh, he came back from work. We're just coming across all of our farm neighbors. Everyone has to walk now, so it's like, hey, how's your day? This is real farming, huh? Walking to the farm. Well, if you guys liked that episode, you leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next.